How to remove bad reviews from Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you want to remove your bad reviews from Facebook Marketplace, there is no direct option to do that, or any option. I should say you cannot delete any of the legit bad reviews that you have got in your product. But one thing that you can do is, in a way, exploit a system or feature that the Facebook Marketplace provide. If any of the bad reviews in your products have used any banned words or bad words, in that case you can report those reviews and Facebook Marketplace will automatically delete that, and this way you can get rid of the bad reviews. But if there is a legit review about your product being bad without using any of the banned or bad words, in that case there are not much that you can do about it other than fixing your own product. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.